Hello friends, I am Abhishek Mathur from LearnCloud.live and today we are going to learn about Company Portal Enrollment or BYOD enrollment. BYOD enrollment means Bring Your Own Device Enrollment. And why is it called that? Because it is used for personally owned devices. Now you must be wondering, is it only used by personally owned devices or we can also use it on the corporate devices? Well, indeed, you can use it on corporate owned devices, but it is advised by Microsoft to use it on the personally owned devices only. And why is that? We will learn that in this video. Now, our agenda in this video is to learn prerequisite of company portal enrollment, why company portal enrollment is used, how to enroll your device with company portal, troubleshooting of company portal enrollment. Now, the prerequisite of this enrollment is, first of all, you need to have an Intune subscription. So as you can see here, we have Intune subscription. We are on the Intune portal over here. Second is that you need to have a user. The user is basically the person who is enrolling into the device, because having primary user is mandate here. Now, third prerequisite is to have an Azure AD premium subscription, and as you can see, we have it over here. Why company portal enrollment is used? So first of all, it is used for personally owned devices. Why it is used for personally owned devices? First, it is an easy to use process, can be done without the help of the admin. So all you need in this process is your ID and your password. That's it. And it is less time consuming. So as it is easy to use, less time consuming, and without the help of admin, and that is why it is the most suitable enrollment for personal devices and personally owned devices, and that is why it is advised by Microsoft to use it for personal devices only, because as you do not need to leave it with the admin. How to enroll your device with company portal and company portal application, now we will show you. So first of all, we will go to Microsoft Store. Okay, and after going to Microsoft Store, okay, so here we will search for company portal application. Oh. Here we have company portal application. So this is company portal application. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. You just need to click, if you haven't downloaded it, you will get a get button here, and you will have to click on that and it will download it for you. Now we will open it, and it is very simple to use it. Just put in your ID, password. This is my ID. I'm going to put in my password here, and that's it. That's all information that we are going to need for this enrollment. This is literally like downloading an application and logging into it. And I'm not going to pause the video anywhere in between, so you will have a real time like how much time it takes you to enroll this device. So we are just going to wait for a while and it will be enrolled. Okay, so from here, if you want, you can also set up your multi-factor authentication or authenticator application for Microsoft login. But as we don't want to do that, so we will just cancel it and log in again. And when we will log in again, it will not give us the same prompt again. So here is the ID, here is the password, and see, the dialog box is gone, and now it will enroll our device in few minutes. See, now as you are getting this on your screen under the device section, that means your device is completely enrolled. And just to check it, let's go to PowerShell and go to System Info. With System Info, you'll see the name of my device is exactly what it appears over here, or here. If you see, this is the name of my device. Let's check. Yep, that is the exact same name. And now how else we can check it? So we will go in Azure portal and we will go to devices over here, all devices. We did not have any devices earlier, but now as you can see we have a device, and then as you can see the time as well, date and time registered, it is showing over here, and it will show you as Azure AD registered. Please do not confuse it with Azure AD join. That is the separate thing. If you want us if you want to know more about Azure AD join and Azure AD register and what are the differences, please click on the I button on the top of your screen and it will take you to the video where we have discussed the difference between both. So this is registered, this is the owner, this is the MDM, Microsoft Intune, it is compliant, registered time, and everything is shown over here. If we go to Intune portal and we'll go to devices, we'll go to all devices, and let's see if we can see the device over here. Yep, it is showing all the details over here as well, and the ownership is personal. As we discussed, it is only used or advised to use for personal devices. We can also see that the ownership is showing as personal, and again if we check, it is the exact name of my device which is showing over here. Now we will check how we can troubleshoot it. Okay, what are the details that we need to check? For an example, if you are not getting all of these information over here, how you going to identify if your device is completely enrolled or not? Okay, so first of all, we'll go to event viewer. In event viewer, we'll go to application and services logs. Here we will go to Microsoft, then Windows, and under Windows we will go to Device Management Enterprises Diagnostic Provider. Here we will go to Admin, and here you can see there are a lot of different type of event IDs like 209, 202, 200, but the one that we are looking for is actually 361, because with this we get the enrollment ID over here. Right? If you're getting the enrollment ID over here, that means your device is completely enrolled. And if you want to know more details about it, we can go to registry editor, and here, so if you check in under local machine, when you'll go to software and then Microsoft, under Microsoft you'll go to enrollments, and please make sure that you go with enrollment with S, because there are two options, enrollment and enrollments. We are going to use the one with the S. Okay, so now we will check the enrollment ID. It starts with A74B, so it is arranged in first numerical order and then alphabetic order. So this is the one that we're looking for. So if you see, we have our UPN over here, we have the tenant ID over here, we have correlation ID, we have crypto provider, and all the information that we're gonna need for the enrollment. Everything is over here. Now how you're gonna match the tenant ID? On your Azure portal, when you'll go to Active Directory, and there when you'll go to properties over here, it will show you your tenant ID. See, this is the tenant ID 93AEA2AA, and if you see 93AEA2AA starts with this, and this is the complete tenant ID exactly matching with this one over here. And now you must be thinking that we are opening our enrollment ID, right? Enrollment, it gives us enrollment ID, we are checking it over here, and what about all these other things that we have? Well, these have nothing in it. If you see any of these things, these will not have any information in it. The only part that where we're gonna find our information is over here. Okay, there is third thing to check it, and that is, again, we'll go to PowerShell. I'll make it full screen, and we'll go to dsreg cmd space / status. Okay, with this, when I'll press enter, it gives me all the information. As you can see, tenant ID, this is the tenant ID I have, right? And how you can find out that this is enrolled? Well, if you scroll up, if you see workplace join, it says yes. So workplace join means it is registered. Whenever your device is Azure AD registered, it will show workplace join. And whenever your device is Azure AD joined, you will see it over here, Azure AD join. Yes, it is showing no for us because it is our device is registered, it is not joined. So as I said, there is going to be it's both of these things are going to be a little different. Then this is where the difference shows up. It says workplace join, not Azure AD join. Workplace join is registered. Now okay, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. So if we go to PowerShell again and open it to run as administrator this time, and go to certmgr.msc certificate manager and click enter, it will take us to this certificate manager console. Here under personal and under certificate, we'll be able to see our Intune MDM device certificate. And if I open it up and go to details, it will give me valid from, like the time when we enrolled the device, valid to, till this date and this time it is going to be valid, this particular certificate. And all the other information about the certificate are going to be here. This is one of the other ways to check if your device is completely enrolled. So if you go back to our presentation, registry key, as we have checked, this is the location of the registry key. You can save this video, so for just in case if you need the event ID, which you need to check the location in the registry key where you have to check all these details. If you have to check all these, you need to save this video so you don't lose it, and when you need it, you'll be able to check it with the help of this video. So this what it was showing us earlier, but later it was showing us all the details regarding our enrollment. So this is the difference before and after the enrollment on this particular location. If we talk about changes in event viewer on this particular location, this is what it was showing earlier, and if you can see, there is no 361 event ID, all are 813, but later we find 361 event ID over here with the enrollment ID on it, and this is how we can check it. And this is how we can check it on PowerShell with the command dsregcmd. This is the command, yep, space / status, and here we can check the join workplace joined is yes, and here we have the tenant ID as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please put it in the comment. We will try to reach you and answer to your query. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. We will try to cover that topic in our next video, and we'll try to keep you updated with Intune. Subscribe our channel, follow us for more such videos, and our social media handles are these. And also please do not forget to click the bell icon to stay updated, and if whenever we will post any video, it will show you on your notifications. So please subscribe and share this video as much as you can, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.